Significant snow melt that we've had this last week. The St. Louis River is presently at a major flood stage. Our Olenka Shadunka has details tonight on how businesses and residents along the riverbank are coping.
This is definitely once in a 12-year. The last time there was flooding like this, it was about 12 years ago. Last year it did get up to the corner of the deck, but nothing like this. This is crazy.
Right now, the St. Louis River is classified to be in a major flood stage, cresting at 13.56 feet just yesterday. Authorities are now saying that the river is going to maintain a moderate flooding stage for the rest of the week.
We had water coming up to our deck last year. I mean, not close to this. I'd say since 1979, there's been 2 other times that's been higher than this, and that's it. So it is very rare.
Business owners along the riverbank says things are still running normally, but they are monitoring the situation.
We haven't had any effects. We've had people calling a little bit concerned with their vehicles, but right now we're still high and dry at this point. But we are well aware of it, keeping track of it. With precipitation coming up this week, we're watching it closely. So we've lifted our computer equipment up off the floor. We have a new server backup being installed today, should we lose power or anything like that.
But is this good for business in any way?
It's actually surprisingly very well. It's brought in a lot of people. I mean, there's so many people that are interested in what Mother Nature can do, and this is one of the closest restaurants, bars you can get to see it right out of our window. So they've been coming down and seeing what's going on, the flood coming up, which is great. But yeah, we've got a lot of people coming in and, you know, spending their money to eat and drink and enjoy the views.
Residents say things look to be improving.
It's receding pretty good. In fact, I've almost got my backyard back, and that's probably 100 feet to where the riverbank is.
For WDIO News, I am Olenka Shadunka.